If you're trying to track first versus last click attribution in affiliate sales, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to track these attribution models and why they matter for your affiliate marketing efforts. Stick around till the end. There's a key takeaway you won't want to miss. So, what exactly is first versus last click attribution? First click attribution gives all the credit to the first interaction a user had with your link. Last click attribution, on the other hand, gives all the credit to the final action before the sale happens. Each model has its own benefits and drawbacks, depending on your affiliate strategy. First, let's start with first click attribution. This model is helpful if you want to see which of your marketing channels first attracted users. If you're driving traffic to your offers with ads or blog posts, knowing where your first touch points are can help you identify which channels are the best at initiating conversions. For example, if a user clicked on a banner ad, then later clicked the link in an email before making a purchase, the first click model would credit the banner ad. Now, last click attribution is more commonly used. It credits the last action the customer took before purchasing, which helps you measure which channels are closing the deal. If your affiliate link in an email was the last one clicked before the purchase, this model would give all the credit to the email, even if they saw your ad earlier. To track first versus last click attribution, you'll need to use a reliable affiliate marketing software. I've tested a lot of popular options, and the software we'll be using in this video allows you to track both models seamlessly. It also helps you optimize your campaigns by showing which touchpoints are working and which aren't. You can find a link to an exclusive free trial for the software in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to follow along with this one. It's a great tool for tracking attribution. Now let's break down how to set up tracking in the software. First, make sure your affiliate links are properly tagged with tracking parameters. These parameters should include source information, which will help you track which click belongs to which channel. Whether you're tracking first or last click attribution, proper tagging ensures your data stays accurate. If you're using UTM codes, you can also monitor where your traffic is coming from, giving you a clearer picture of your sales pipeline. Next, go to your affiliate software dashboard, where you'll see an overview of all your affiliate sales. To track first click attribution, navigate to the reports section and choose the attribution model for the data you want to analyze. You can toggle between first click and last click models to compare how each model performs for your different campaigns. Don't forget to track your conversion path in the reports. This will give you more insight into how users are moving from touchpoint to touchpoint before they convert. Here's the key takeaway. Tracking first versus last click attribution is essential because it gives you insights into how different marketing channels influence affiliate sales. First click tells you where your traffic is coming from, while last click shows which channels are actually closing the deal. By combining both models, you get a complete picture of your sales funnel. To wrap it up, here's a quick revision. 1. First click attribution credits the first interaction that led to a sale. 2. Last click attribution gives credit to the last action before the sale. 3. Using the right affiliate software, you can easily toggle between these two models to optimize your campaigns. 4. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this tutorial, available only through my channel. That's it for today's quick guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description.